Good morning. It's Tuesday. It is about 9:05 a.m. We are all packed up and leaving for Cancun. Mexico City was great. We're definitely needing to come back because we missed a lot of stuff.
Yesterday was a day of failure.
I'm sure you saw. But, you know, it just gives us a reason to come back.
Yep.
Everything here was pretty easy. Uber was cheap. Not easy, but it was cheap. We're just going to have to come back. But, you know, now we're off to Cancun.
Yeah.
We're going to call an Uber, get some last minute pan and latte, and then head to the airport.
We did have a really good dinner last night, though.
We did. Well, he did.
Yeah.
He had a really good dinner last night. My stomach decided to be a butt and was like, nope, you're not going to be able to eat anything. I have hyperacidity, and it bit me in the butt yesterday. Prilosec worked, and some ginger beer.
Lifesaver.
Ginger ale worked.
Oh, that was fun. So we're trying to figure out how to say ginger ale or ginger beer in Spanish. And so she's like, oh, what was it? Something.
It's refresca al jengibre or jengibre or cerveza la jengibre.
And so he brings up he's like, oh, well, yeah, we do have something, but it doesn't have any alcohol in it, even though it's called cerveza.
Yeah. We're like, perfect.
Yeah, we're like,
that's
yeah,
perfect.
No, we know. Like, that's
fine.
ginger
That's exactly what we want.
And it was like
a punch in the throat of ginger.
Yeah.
But it helped. I feel so much better now. Okay. Call the Uber. I'm hungry. Let's go.
Calling Uber. Hello, Uber. So we had a little moment of panic there. We just got to the airport. We're about 2 hours early for our flight, which is good. It's the first for us. Usually we're rushing to the gate. We're looking at our boarding pass, looking up on the board, and it says gate B. And we're looking around and like, where is gate B? Like, we can't find gate B. They're all numbered. Like, where is gate B? And so we go and ask the information, and they're like, the entire thing is gate B. So I guess here they have so few actual gates. They just kind of, whenever one opens up, they put a plane there. So it's not like 2 hours ahead of time they know it's going to be at this gate. So you have to sit here and watch the board. So top tip, if you're flying out of Mexico City International Airport, domestically, or it may also be international, we don't know, but if you have a lettered gate, that means your plane hasn't been assigned an actual gate yet. I'm glad we're in the right one.
Yeah, at least we're in the right time.
I don't like not knowing where to go.
She was freaking out. So our flight number is 704, and there's another flight at 2 p.m., flight number 712 to Cancun, same airline.
And I thought I was looking at that one.
She's like, 2 p.m.?
It's like, the flight's been pushed back to 2 p.m. What the fuck are we doing here so early?
So if you've ever been sitting in a train station waiting for your train to get a platform, it's the same kind of thing. But this is us at the airport. Us against the airport.
Yeah.
We'll see you in Cancun.
While Derek's off getting some water, I'm over here watching the board, and we got a gate. Gate 9. Which I'm guessing is all the way over there. It's okay, we're still early anyway.
How do you feel about the weather?
It's so hot. not 3 twins, but it'll do.
Truth.
We're in Cancun. This water baby is so happy.
Yes, as you
So happy.
have seen, we have been in the water, and now we're chilling out in the room, watching Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban.
This Harry Potter geek is so happy.
Yes.
This is my very first time in a pool that I swam up to the bar, like a swim up bar.
Yeah.
Drank beer in the bar, or in the pool. Anyway, we got here, checked in, had early dinner, and this is my first time in a resort.
Well, same. I haven't been at a resort. Well, that I remember. I'm sure my parents have taken me to a resort at some point in my life, but I certainly don't remember being at a resort like this before.
I've never lived the resort life, and every time we've always been on vacation, it was explore the city, do this, do that, go hiking on this trail. And so this is our very first time relaxing and like charge everything to the room.
Mm-hmm. Well,
Let's go.
charge everything to my parents' room, which is amazing.
So, and he was like, he's like, when we were going down to the beach, he's like, oh, this is what you're marrying into, a bunch of water babies, because his dad really wanted to get into the water.
Mm-hmm.
And I was like, you mean resort life? This is what I'm marrying into? Shit, I just hit the jackpot. So, yeah, we're very happy to be here.
Mark, you should have come.
His brother.
It's pretty amazing.
It's pretty amazing. It's our first time in Cancun. Super touristy, but we're in like resort row, so
Yeah.
it's fine.
So, if you've never been to Cancun, there's like the main town, which is the main town, but then there's like I don't know what to describe it as.
My closest like frame of reference is also Miami, where they have like
yes,
the rows
yeah.
of hotels and you have beach access.
Okay, yeah, there's that, but then there's a whole like bay between
Right.
Resort Row and the main town. It's not just a couple hundred yards, like it's a full-on bay between Resort Row and the main town. Anyway, good night.
Good night.
See you tomorrow.
For the rest of Cancun.
Yep.
Can I turn Harry Potter on now?
It's already on. I've been glancing at it, but we just haven't had any audio. He just got eaten by what was it called?
The Mentors.
The Dementors.
Kiss of death.
We thought maybe you were having a fit or something.
Bye-bye.